Guys, it's Tom here, and we'll be doing a pack opening. This is just an app I found. You just open as many packs as you want. Just show you all my cards. These are my cards for 94 Messi, 93 Beckenbauer. That's the dog, sorry. 93 Ronaldo, 92 Baresi, then I got Aguero, and then there you go. Let's open some packs, guys. Ooh, Diego Alves. Or was it Bruno? Can't really remember. Dex! Thank you, dog. My dog's called Dexter. And sometimes he can be a bit annoying. Oh, yeah. Oh, God. This app totally free as well, guys. You don't have to pay for the packs. You don't have to pay for anything. And then we go on. I don't know what free even is. I think I may be doing a pack and play with my friend next door. So we open one of these packs on this game. We see the players there. We use the players in the pack. We have to buy them off the transfer market. DJ Drogba, Maxwell, Rafinha. That's quite a good pack. Who do we get? Oh God, it's not gonna be good. Oh, see now, but yeah, he's quite good. 81. It's alright. Okay, we got Inler and we got Stark. Okay, who are we getting next? Nobody good again. God alive. Are we ever gonna get anybody good in these packs? Oh, Rafinha again. No new players. I completed all the 75s. Well, no 75s will be new. Nolito. Nope. Mbemba is alright. Romeo. Okay, Ayo. So we got Krul there. Tim Krul, we got centre mid. That's quite a good packs. You got Spanish. You can have like a whole left side Spanish there. Oh, inform. Who's this centre back? Oh, scrap one. Damn, already got him. Oh, 3. Ankabai and Sacco. Damn, that's a good pack. Monday, Portuguese. Class. Oh, again. Who's this? Goalkeeper. Farman. God, I'm in informs. So 4th inform. 4th inform. 5 informs in 2 packs. God. I haven't done many more than that before, guys. Oh. Piatti. Okay, MGF. Can I get anybody good yet? Oh, no. Oh, Lana. Another rubbish back. See if this one can be a bit better. Okay, good start. Begovic. Asma Begovic. And Fabio Contrao. Quite a good card. He's moved to some French league team. So guys, this last pack now. I'm going to end the video on this pack. Sami Khedira, yes. Juve boy. Then we got Adrian, Forster, Sigurdsson, Emre Can. Got a few good players there. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe for more.